This is a 15-inch subwoofer, I think. Somebody dropped it off at the dump, and it's blown, but the cone is fine. And I'm going to see if I can't just remove the driver for it and replace it with another driver from another speaker, because it's perfectly fine. Just somebody probably turned it up too loud and burned it out. So, see what I can do with it. Try to get this magnet off carefully. And yeah. So what I'm doing here is just using a screwdriver and prying around and in a couple of spots, so I can it's sort of slowly come off. There's going to be a couple spot welds on here, so it might be a little hard, but once it gets going, it should come right off, and then I can replace this piece. Okay. Yep, so I removed the magnet, and, well, it's not very neat, I know. There were actually screw heads, but I didn't want to damage this diaphragm. So I also bent and broke off a couple of these so I'd have more space. I'm probably going to use like something like a paper towel tube or something around here with hot glue, and then attach it to the other driver speaker. This is a speaker driver I'm going to use. It's not really a high watt speaker. That's the best one I've got right now. It's only a 30 watt. I know that's not a lot, but that's all I've got. So I'm just going to use this. It's got pretty good movement. That's what we're looking for. And basically what I do, take a paper tube or something and glue it into the center, and then glue it onto there, to the bigger speaker. Basically put it on just like that, and then that will push the larger speaker back and forth. You know, just normally working I did before worked. Sound good. So I'm going to see what it is with this bigger one, see if I can get this one to work and sound good. Okay. Right now I'm making the tube so I can connect the two speakers together, and I'm just using cereal box, just rolling it up into a tube. And before I was just using toilet paper rolls because they're already, but this one is a little bit bigger, so I have to make one handmade. So it can go like that. So basically just goes around that cylindrical thing in there. I don't know what to call it. The coil, where the coil used to be. And then that will be connected to the other one. I just have to make the tube, cut it, glue it, and then put the other speaker on. So that's what I got for right now. It's all glued in. Just waiting for it to harden up. I gotta cut it to the right length. Just cut it off there, put it on there, and make sure it. Yeah, it's a bit of guessing. There's not exact measurement or anything I can really do. The hard part is trying to cut that nice and straight with something. Yeah, so it's nice and straight. It's on there pretty good. That's what I got. I haven't glued it on yet, but I don't know if you can really hear the mic line. I just have it set on there right now.
Did you see the girl that tattooed Drake's name on her forehead? Because in the song he said, tattoo my name on your face just to see it's real. Did you see that? It's crazy.
Once I glue it on, it'll just be connected like that.
With the 2012 Mercedes-Benz NL354
Oh.
SUV has arrived, and it's a stunner. It has it all: performance, luxury, and safety. Lease one now during the Mercedes-Benz winter event for $599 a month with only
so it's working. So I just have to glue it on, and then it should be good. It should be done.
According to Mercedes-Benz,
it's all done. Hot glued it all around the outer edge. Turned it up a little bit. Sounds good. If it can't. You can't really see it moving too well, so I'll just put the thing in it.
Crazy Music Hot 107.9. Chris Breezy, terrible in the first part of 2011. Cleaned it up in the last part of 2011. So you have to give him props there. His videos and everything for last year on the website, hot1079.com, including all the drama he got into. It's, 3 times.
That's that. So if you want to repair a speaker and you got a big nice one like this, if the coils burn out, don't worry, because you can always replace them. This is the simplest way I found, and as you see, it works, and it works pretty good. So don't get too upset if your speaker burns out. If the cone's still good, you still got a good speaker. Thank you for watching.